Did you know if you buy the cheapest radio controllers for RC planes or FPV drones, you don't have mixing, which is why I had to make this intermediate chip in between the receiver and thingy. I was smart enough to get a absolute cheapest controller and absolute cheapest Elvis receiver, which doesn't let me do any mixing on this side or on the other side. Just to make this little controller, this is the RP2040. You can use the 2350 or any other controller, though you might have to put the code on anything that isn't the PipeEco, PipeEco 2, and so on. Literally just the first two channels going in and they're getting routed back out. And here are the two servos. As I'm making the delta wing, I need to mix it because there are only two servos needed. Here you can imagine, here's the left wing, here's the right wing, plane going that way, propellers over here, and here's the controller. If I want to pull, I pull this down, and you can imagine the plane's going like this, so the wings are going up, and you can see that would make the airplane want to go up. Same thing if you want to go down, and if you want to go left, you can see it goes left, right, and so on. You can go slightly up, and let's say I want to turn, it also accounts for that. Like a mixer should be mixing, of course. I guess if you don't mind dealing with the absolute cheapest stuff, you can thingy. But at that point, if you see my Nova video with using this instead, I could have just used this. It probably would have worked. Anyway, if you have any questions, the source code is available on GitHub. Do whatever you want with it. If you need support or questions, you can email me, write a comment, or anything else. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you in some way, and I'll see you in another video, possibly. Bye for now.